I'm something like a big deal. Ain't with the petty.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. So if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, and you are looking for a way to record your screen on your laptop, desktop, or whatever you use, I use Screencast O Matic .com. Now they have the pricing is really reasonable too, because they got you can pay yearly. I think the yearly plan is, I got this one. I think the yearly plan is like 20 something a year with tax, and then the premier and then they got the premier package as well too. So now it lets you record up to 15 minutes for free, and then once you pay, I know the plan I got, it lets me record up to 30 minutes. You can record your computer audio. You just use you can use a microphone, or you can use your computer's microphone. Also, it gives you let me see what it is. I think it gives you a video editor as well too. I really don't use the it gives you a video editor. They got the screen recorder. It allows you to do screenshots. Got the library. You can back up video and content hosting, and integrate with your social media as well. The only thing I really use it for, once I create a client's website, I just record my screen, record the whole process, and then I send it to them on how to edit and maintain the site. But I'm telling you, Screencast O Matic is real good. I've been using it for years. I've been using this years, and it comes with a video tutorial. So basically what you do is you just go to screencastomatic.com, and it'll say you can try it out, you can test it out, or you can start recording for free. Now once you hit start recording for free, it's going to launch the recorder. You just have to download it and install it. So once you download and install it, it's going to give you, I'm going to show you. I wonder if I can Google it. So this what's going to happen. This what's going to pop up. Let me show you. So this is what's going to pop up. You can do your screen. You can record your screen. You can just do the web. You can do webcam if your computer got a webcam, or you can do both. Now the both is it'll be recording on your webcam, and it had a picture in, picture down here, right on the right side. And then you can pick your time, but you'll get a free 15. You get 15 minutes for free if you have a free account. And then also, I know the paid one, the one I got is 13. I mean, not 13, it's 30 minutes. Then you can pick your size, and then now your narration is where you want your sound to come from. So you can edit your sound, practice your sound like that, and then you can record your computer audio as well. And then so you got your record button, you got your settings, and then just your excuse me, and then you got your timer on there too. And that's pretty much it. So if you're an entrepreneur, business owner, anyone that's looking to learn how to record your screen, this is a good tool to have. So it's screencastomatic.com. It's pretty cheap. And then also, once you do it as well, I'm gonna show y'all. I don't think I have any videos saved. It is just you got your images you want to save, you got your videos, images, folders, channels, trash, and then also it's going to give you the option to where you want. Oh, here we go, right here. You get an option to where you want to save your videos. Now, I just got this. I think I got it earlier this year. I got it. So I guess I got it in January, February, March, April, May. So I guess I got it in May. So since May, I done did over 100 websites since May. All right. So since May, I started to I have 100 videos recorded, and you got your record, scripted, import. Now you can pick to where you want to save your video. So every video I save into the documents file. I got a folder that I save all my videos in. But you got the option to save it in your screen, upload it to Screencast O Matic as well too. So yeah, it's a pretty good product to have. But Screencast O Matic is very good. So just go to screencastomatic.com. If you don't want to buy the product, cool, that's fine. Go screencastomatic.com. Start recording for free. Launch it, download and install. And that's it. So make sure again to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.
I'm something like a big deal.